Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you 4 Excel tips that can really enhance your productivity. Without further ado, let's get started. Excel tip number 1, resizing table. So normally when you have a table and you enter new data, it automatically gets included into your table. Sometimes your table breaks and the data doesn't get included into your table. Don't freak out, there's an easy fix for that. Select any cell within your table, go up to the top. On the right-hand side of the menu, you want to click on Table Design, and then back to the right side, you want to select Resize Table. So you notice that it only goes up to row 9, and it's not including 10 and 11. So you want to adjust this to include the last 2 rows, and then click on OK. And now you can see that it's included into your table. Excel tip number 2. Justify. So let's say you want to write out instructions for your team, and you have a set range that you want your instructions to be within. And then you're typing out your instructions in one cell, and it's actually longer than your actual row. So something like this, and it's outside your original section. And what I used to do before is to cut certain areas out and then paste it into the following rows. And if it's longer again, you'll do the same thing. You want to cut this out and then paste it into the next range and so forth. But there's a much easier way to do that. So you want to select your range, including extra rows that you think will fit, and then go up to the home. Go all the way to the right-hand side. You click on the drop-down next to the fill, and then you want to go down to where it says justify. Click on that, and it automatically does exactly the same thing, but much easier. And now your instruction is within your set range. How cool is that? Excel tip number 3, Format Painter. So let's say you have some data, and you want the cell colors to be exactly the same. So you could change this to a table, or you can manually color the cells yourself to match. But that would take a long time. There's a quick way to do that. You select your range here, go to Home, and then go to Format Painter. Click on that, and your range is now selected with the Format Painter, and you'll notice with the dotted lines here. On your new data set, you want to select the first cell of your data set. And you click on that, and it automatically paints the exact same cell colors and formatting. And if you want to double check, you can always change the font here, maybe change the text coloring, maybe cell color you want to change as well. We'll change to yellow, and so forth. We can do the exact same thing. Select your data range, go to Home, Format Painter, and then paint the first cell in your data set. And you can see that it matches exactly. Excel tip number 4, quick analysis. So let's say you want to quickly analyze your data. Normally you would select your range, go up to top, go to Insert, maybe a pivot table, or maybe a chart, maybe conditional formatting. Excel has a built-in tool that allows you to quickly select a few of the most common quick analysis. So once you selected your data range, if you scroll to the bottom right-hand corner of it, you'll notice there's a pop-up. This is your quick analysis. So within that, there's a few of the most common choices you have. So formatting, there's charts, totals, tables, and so forth. So depending on what you want, you can select it accordingly to what you need. Let's say you want a chart. Let's do a clustered column. And then if you need to, you can always readjust to your liking. All right, I hope you found this tutorial useful. And as always, see you next time.